Welcome to the Utah State Board of Education Child Nutrition Program's training on crediting grains using a recipe. This video will walk you through how to credit grains when using a recipe. At the end of this module, you will recognize that grains are credited in ounce equivalents, understand how to calculate the grams of creditable grains in a recipe, and how to convert those grams to ounce equivalents. To credit grains in a recipe, you must follow these 7 simple steps. You are not able to use Exhibit A to credit grains in a recipe. Step 1, identify all the grain ingredients in the recipe. Step 2, identify the quantity and units of each grain ingredient. Step 3, convert each ingredient to grams. Step 4, add up the total grams of grain in the recipe. Step 5, divide the total grams by the number of portions to determine how many grams of grain are in each serving. As a note, this is why it is important for your standardized recipes to have accurate serving sizes and yields. Step 6, divide the total grams by 16 to convert to ounce equivalents. Step 7, round your ounce equivalents down to the nearest quarter ounce. Finally, as a reminder, do not use Exhibit A to credit grains in a recipe. Exhibit A can only be used to credit finished grain products that are pre-made with a nutrition facts label. Let's practice using these steps with a few different recipes. Let's use this simple recipe for dinner rolls to go through each step in more detail. Step 1 is to identify all of the grain ingredients in the recipe. As you can see, this recipe uses whole wheat flour and enriched all-purpose flour as the only grain ingredients. Step 2 is to identify the quantity of each ingredient. This recipe calls for 2 pounds of whole wheat flour and 1 pound 12 ounces of enriched all-purpose flour. Step 3 is to convert each grain ingredient into grams. In our dinner roll recipe, we have 2 pounds of whole wheat flour and 1 pound 12 ounces of enriched flour. To do this, we will use this conversion table to help us. This table shows you how to convert from pounds and ounces to grams, as well as how to convert from cup measurements of various other grain ingredients. Because both our grain ingredients are already in pounds and ounces, we can convert them all together. Adding the 2 pounds of whole wheat flour and the 1 pound 12 ounces of enriched flour gives us a total of 3 pounds 12 ounces of flour. The top row of the conversion table gives us the number to use when converting pounds into grams, which is 453.6. We will multiply the 3 pounds by 453.6 to turn the pounds into grams. 3 times 453.6 equals 1,360.8 grams. Now we need to convert our ounces to grams using the table, and the number to do that is 28.35. We will multiply our 12 ounces by 28.35, which equals 340.2 grams. Step 4 is to find the total number of grams of grain in the recipe. So we add together 1,360.8 grams of flour and 340.2 grams of flour for a total of 1,701 grams of grain in our recipe. Step 5, we need to divide the total number of grams in the recipe by the number of total portions to determine the grams of grain per serving. This recipe has a yield of 100. So we divide 1701 by 100 to get 17.01 grams of grain per roll. Step 6, divide by 16 to convert grams to ounce equivalents. 17.01 divided by 16 equals 1.06. Step 7, and of course we always round down to the nearest quarter ounce. 1.06 rounds down to 1, so each dinner roll contains 1 ounce equivalent of grain. Let's try another example, this time with a cornbread recipe. Remember, step 1 is to identify all grain ingredients in the recipe. The grain ingredients in this recipe are whole wheat flour and enriched cornmeal. Step 2 is to identify the quantity and units of each grain ingredient. We have 3 cups of flour and 2.5 cups of cornmeal. Step 3 is to convert each grain ingredient into grams. In order to convert cups of whole wheat flour to grams, we need to use the conversion table. The conversion table tells us that we need to multiply by 120 to convert cups of whole wheat flour into grams. 3 cups times 120 equals 360 grams. To convert cups of enriched cornmeal to grams, the conversion table tells us to multiply by 138. 2.5 cups times 138 equals 345 grams. Step 4 is to add up the total grams of grain in the recipe. The total grams of grain in our recipe is 360 plus 345, which equals 705 grams. Step 5, divide the total grams by the number of portions. The number of portions in our cornbread recipe is 50. We need to divide 705 grams by 50 portions to get the total grams per portion. 705 divided by 50 equals 14.1. Step 6, we divide the grams per portion, 14.1, by 16 to convert to ounce equivalents. This gives us 0.88 ounce equivalents per piece of cornbread. And finally, step 7, round down to the nearest quarter ounce. 0.88 rounds down to 0.75, so one piece of this cornbread credits as 0.75 ounce equivalents of grain. Now it's your turn to do some calculations. You'll need a pencil and a calculator. Use the recipe shown, the grams conversion table, and the 7 simple steps to answer this question. How many ounce equivalents of grain are in one oatmeal muffin square? Now let's go through the answer together. Please follow along as we go through the calculation together. Step 1 is to look at the grain ingredients in the recipe. This recipe has whole wheat flour, enriched white bread flour, and rolled oats. Step 2, identify the quantity and units of each grain ingredient. We have 1 quart plus 3 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 quart plus 2.5 cups enriched white bread flour, and 2 quart plus 3 cups rolled oats, respectively. Step 3, convert each ingredient to grams. 7 cups of whole wheat flour times 120 equals 840 grams. 6.5 cups enriched white bread flour times 125 equals 812.5 grams. And 11 cups rolled oats times 81 equals 891 grams. Step 4, add up the total grams of grain in the recipe. 840 plus 812.5 plus 891 equals 2,543.5 grams in the recipe. Step 5, divide the total grams by the number of portions. 2,543.5 divided by 100 equals 25.435 grams per muffin square. Step 6, divide the total grams by 16 to convert to ounce equivalents. 25.435 divided by 16 equals 1.589 ounce equivalents per muffin square. And finally, step 7, round ounce equivalents down to the nearest quarter ounce. 1.589 rounds down to 1.5 ounce equivalents. So the correct answer for this question is 1.5 ounce equivalents in one oatmeal muffin square. Congratulations, you have now completed the crediting grain using a recipe training. Please refer to NSLP Central for a resource providing instructions for crediting grains using a recipe, take other Canvas courses, or contact a child nutrition specialist for further assistance.